Hey guys, Foxy Forex Trader here, back with another Forex analysis for you guys. Let's get right into the video. We're going to start off with S&P 500 trade idea. So what we have is this 4-hour fair value gap. We had this Drake candle on Friday because of our good friend Mr. Powell. So the market on Monday today had to adjust, and that's what we were waiting for. It was a no trade day just to see where the market went. Now we are trading within this 4-hour fair value gap. So what do I want to see? Simply trade above it, close above it, look for a long, target all-time highs, stops below this fair value gap, and that is it. You know, up, retest, look for that high. Simple. Very simple trade idea. Next trade idea we have is gold. Gold. It swept the highs, or swept this liquidity. Retraced a little bit, went up again. This is an absolute no trade zone. What could we see happening? It could go for this liquidity and then reverse again. Ideally, what I would want to see is it tap into this 4-hour order block and then look for this. So it would look something like this. Stops. You can play it safer here. Target those highs. I still want to 2.5. You know, can't complain about that. That's the gold trade. My favorite pair, what I'm looking for, is USD CAD. So what we have is this 4-hour propulsion block, or order block, you can also say. And I want it to, it has tapped in and it has bounced off of it. But there is this massive 4-hour fair value gap. So ideally, I want to see us start trading below it. I want to place my stops above those highs, or if you want to play safer, above those. And first take profit would be here, right there. And my second take profit would be right there. Just the lows. Simple. Euro USD. I'm not loving Euro USD right now. It's not in a spot where I really like it. The last week was beautiful. Like, look at this. We swept, we went up. We swept, we went down. Like, if you're looking at liquidity sweeps and reversals, it was beautiful. It couldn't get any better than that. I called it last week. So I hope somebody made some money off of that. We can see how we trade off this 4-hour fair value gap. As you can see, we used it as resistance here, resistance, until Mr. Powell just absolutely destroyed it. But we can see how we trade here, or you can even, I wouldn't really call this a BPR because it's so big, but you do have this fair value gap that closed within this fair value gap, so you could technically call this a BPR and see how we trade. We closed below it, but who really knows where it's going to go? Are we going to get a third sweep? It's in the middle, so I'll wait for that. Same with GU, similar situation. Out of USD, I have a limit set here. You could also place it a bit higher, and your lows above here, because what I want to see is tap into this 4-hour fair value gap. Could sweep, it could not sweep. That's why I'm just playing it here, because I want to see tap in the middle of this 4-hour fair value gap and trade to here, or even to the lows, preferably a 1 to 2, because like I said, we are trading in the box, still in the box. So that's the Audi trade idea. Bitcoin trade idea. We have this massive daily fair value gap. On the daily, it's kind of looking like we want to go down a little bit. I would like to see how the 4-hourly closes, or even the daily, when the daily closes, and see, are we trading above it? Are we trading below it? If we're trading below it, then we are targeting these lows for sure. And maybe these. Ideally, I don't want to see it go down to here because I'm bullish on Bitcoin. So ideally here maybe, and then sweep, tap into this fair value gap. Oops, sorry. Yep. And do a trade like this. Stops underneath the fair value gap. Target all-time highs. 3 to 5. So we will see. We'll see how this week goes. This week might be a slow week because of what Powell did to us last week. We need to see how the market corrects itself, and it was overexpanded, and yeah, well, you know, patience is the game we play in this business. So be patient, take your trades, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, see you.